Hi everyone. Right, I'm going to try and recreate this blue flower for Karen. Not sure I'll get it right, Karen, but I've taken a picture of it roughly. And then I've just got to recreate that one as well. Because people have ordered them and I thought, you know, if I can do them. I found the fabric. And I'm just preparing everything. So we've got... I haven't got the mixture of the centres. I've only got the blue, so I'm going to just put extra of those in, Karen. I've got those. I've got the ribbon. And then all I need to do now is to trim, cut this trim. And we got 4 out of each one, didn't we? So yeah. Out of each piece. We'll see how we get on with this lot. So I don't want to let anybody down. I think, if I remember rightly, we just did this with it. Like that. And then we sealed them and sewed them all together. So it was a big flower, this one. Okie dokie, gotta get my needles ready. And for this, I'm just going to use the white thread. It doesn't matter because you don't see them. You don't see the thread at all. I flatten the end so I can see what goes in my blooming needle. So Karen, this is for you. Karen Zagden, that is. If I can thread the needle. It's me, I can't see a damn thing. Don't realise how bad I'm going to go get my eyes tested, obviously. Now, I did these, I think I did these as individual. We think. So I'm going to do them as individual. And see how we get on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make all of these petals and I'll be back. What I'm actually doing is I've done the central bit and then I'm doing pairs because it's a big flower, so we have to go around the edge of a piece of felt, and it's easier to do them in pairs and you fill your gaps up more. And so just do it like that. Got the 2 pieces together, give it a pull, and then a couple of tacking stitches and it's done. And you can manipulate where you want those to be. Right folks, I've got them done. I've also burnished the ends of them as well. Now I'm just going to move my needle because I know what I'm like. I need to cut my piece of felt. So we're going to have a decent size circle. So like I say, I have already done a video like this, but because I'm doing this for Karen, I just thought it'll be ideal to film it as well. It does save searching back on the videos, doesn't it? Let me get my sheet. I think I've got one here. So I'm going to put that on there, and then what we do is we just basically, we start and add Going to use my finger dobber for this, because if I remember last time I burnt myself. You just have to start and add them around the outside edge, and you work your way in. And just turn it around, overlap it of course. With the next layer. Like that. Bring that in slightly, Fee. Like that, that's it. Doesn't matter about it creasing, and we want that look. So I'm just going to have to make some more. So again, just do another row. So Daisy, oh, of course it's got to end up on the floor. Can't just do what I want it to do. Tired. Unfortunately we do waste a bit, but hey ho, we're going to get the result we're after. I think I've got enough thread left on my needle to do these. So just do them in pairs. You get that fullness rather than doing a single one. Singles are okay if you just want to, you know, go round and round and round and round and not care what it looks like. But to get the fullness, the pairs make it look better for some reason. So just have them like that, tuck that in. And we just do that. Take our lighter, start from that end. And this fabric is great. This is what we sell on the roll. So we sell it by the metre. It's 12 inches wide if you want, and we have it in many colours if you want to run along to the shop. Move that out of the way. We have to turn that back round. There's my finger dobber. Yeah, just bring that in slightly. I'm happy with that. And see, this one will sit there. We've got this in jade green, browns, beige, cream, pink. This fabric, I mean. And it's perfect. 12 inches wide, and we sell it by the metre. I think it's about £1.50 a metre, which is, you know, we're still one of the cheapest shops, but sell the top quality. You know. And I do, and I am still getting people saying they're having difficulty getting onto the shop or ordering. Shut your web browser down and reopen it. It might just need that little bit of a boost. I know someone's done that today and it worked for them straight afterwards. But don't forget, you know, we know there's people stopping us, our traffic coming to the shop. And I just have to, I'm going to roll with the roller coaster sort of thing of it. And just let them, if they want to be silly buggers, let them be. They'll get fed up eventually. Like that. Yeah, I'm okay with that. That piece I'm going to snip. Best thing about this fabric, you can just snip it and redo that. And that's all you need to do. And we've got this one again. This goes, I'm just going to change that glue. So I think I picked the wrong stick of glue up. Sure I did. Okie dokie. Now what we do is we pop that in there like that. And then I did a lot of these, so I'm just going to fill it. Like I say, again, just heating that up and wiping that glue off. That should be better. There we go. That in there. Wrap that over. Like that. That's all you need. Ain't going anywhere. And we can open that up. So that's those done. So I'm just going to clear my needle, put it away before I lose it. Just clear my bit of mess up because I need some more of those. Like I say, we have them in lots of different colours. Now, what you do with these, cut the stems, keep the stems long. Don't put too much in them. Hang on, let's do this one. And we pop them down there like that, so they just stick out. They look pretty. So I'm just going to make sure these are all as they should be. Open. Sorry, that's my phone. I'm just ignoring it. And again, just pop that down the back. Right, that's gone twice. I'm going to have to go answer it and see what it is.